Today we're in Modesto looking at KB Homes. The community that we're in is called Tivoli, and the name of the home is called Plan 2190, which is also the square footage. Now this home is going to have 3 to 4 bedrooms and also 2 baths. So I'm Andre, your Cali Valley relocation realtor. I tour homes for you, whether that's new or resale. I provide you with a ton of great buyer tools, and I cover the good and bad of Central Valley cities on this channel. If you stay to the end, I will cover the floor plan for this home, as well as a snapshot of what the new home buying process actually looks like. Now, let's get into the tour.
I got you. This is the official family anthem. You know, the ones you grown up with. If you love your family, stand up and say,
your brother, I got you. Your sister, I got you.
hey mama,
Hey mama, I got you.
woo.
Hey daddy, I got you.
Your brother,
Your brother, I got you. Your sister, I got you.
hey mama,
Hey mama, I got you.
woo.
Hey daddy,
I got you.
now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la.
Daddy walk in the house, looking a mess, stress. Mom show him love, quick reminder he blessed. Bro on the games like he a big shot. Sis texting about new clothes she got. Sound familiar? It ought to be the real deal. Yes, it's your family. The loved ones repping where you come from. A bond recognized from the birth to the slum. We play different parts, but in the same band. You the front, we represent the back of your hand. It always hold those, that's our biggest fans. As the one place we stay in demand. We all play a role in keeping the fam whole and seeing success together is our goal. So when I call their name, do as I do. Point to them and tell them, yo, I got you. Yo, brother.
Your brother, I got you. Your sister, I got you.
Hey, mama.
Hey mama, I got you. Hey daddy, I got you.
Yo, brother.
I got you.
Yo, sister.
Sister, I got you.
Hey, mama.
Hey mama, I got you. Hey daddy,
I got you.
now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la. Now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la 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 la.
Now life is a fight that will test your bond, but we super glue connected till life is gone. And no matter the struggle from the path we on, dedication stay there, lines are clearly drawn. So we must be real, despite how the fam feel.
Careful,
'Cause our words can scar like steel. Protecting those we love is ideal for my fam. Now will I give my life?
sure will.
So it's time, take us away and we drift. We may only unite when one of us goes stiff. And yet, the ones we love to death at times wanna choke them till nothing's left. But we fam, so begrudge ain't how we get down. Disrespect my heart, we going round. Speaking on my fam sick, you got the flu. See a doc while I tell my fam, I got you.
Your brother, I got you. Your sister, I got you.
Hey mama,
Hey mama, I got you. Hey daddy, I got you.
yo brother,
Your sister, I got you.
hey mama,
Hey daddy,
I got you.
now we saying la 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 la, 'cause we winning la.
So let's look at some of the community facts. Out here in Tivoli, they're going to be building 350 homes. About 20% of those are sold already. There is no HOA, which is fantastic. This community is the northeastern part of Modesto, which is a good area of Modesto to be in. It's also in the Enoch School District, which is the best high school in Modesto. Now, there's 15 floor plans for all of these homes. 8 of them are actually put into models. And 4 of those are single story, 4 of them are double story. The square footage for all these homes ranges between 1,397 square feet all the way up to 2,672 square feet. And there's 8 move-in ready homes available right now. So if this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions about any of the properties out here you're thinking of buying 2 days from now or 2 months from now, either way, it doesn't matter. I'm here to support you and help you get through it. Reach out to me anytime. I will see you in the next video.